We'll know what the problem is and then fix it. This thing has a hiccup once again.
Here we go. Our lovely roundabouts.
Round, round, get around, I get around.
You used to.
Yeah, it was 60 pounds ago.
That is not what I meant.
Okay, so where are we going? We never did figure it out.
Yeah, we did. I said, I guess La Casina.
Okay.
And you're like, okay.
Just turn our key on. 8 ECM codes. Okay, so that's O2, 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 O2. Catalytic system low efficiency. Idle speed low. These all seem, except for park neutral position circuit low. The O2 circuit. Lost communication with electronic brake module. Okay, those two are a little iffy. We're going to clear all our codes. See if any of them come back. 9 codes because of oxygen sensors. Which I still think's the wiring. Alright, I'll be back after we clear the codes. We'll drive around a bit and see if we can get any more to pop. I'll let you know how that goes. Forgive the AC, but dun dun dun. We got a problem again. Guess we'll have to see what that is. Car's been driving great.